Welcome to Explain with Shaun. Today I'm taking a look at this iPhone 5S that I purchased off eBay for a total of $22.50. It was listed as 4 parts not working with weak battery and charging. We're going to go ahead and get it out of the box and see what we got. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what we got. We have the iPhone in a red spec case. That is all that was included in the eBay photos. And also a surprise freebie, a spec candy shell flip case. So we're going to go ahead and take the iPhone out of this ratty red case. This is the worst case I've ever seen, honestly. Once we get the phone out of the case, it looks like it's in really nice condition. It has no scratches or dents on the back, and the one crack that is in the screen is actually in the tempered glass screen protector, and we'll be replacing that at the end of the video. We'll go ahead and power the phone on and wait as it boots up, because this is a 5S. So hold your horses, get some popcorn, and we'll wait. Once the phone finally boots up, we get the hello screen. We'll go ahead and go through that really quickly and set it up. This phone is running iOS 9.3.5 and is a 16GB 5S. The Touch ID also works, which is a huge score. It doesn't always work on these cheap iPhones. We're going to go ahead and get this set up and show you what's wrong with the battery. So we get an update prompt to update to iOS 12. No way I'm doing that, because this is on 9.3.5. Even though 12 is a great iOS and I update all my other devices, if it's this old, I will not update it. Just confirming from earlier, it is indeed a 16GB iPhone 5S running iOS 9.3.5, unlocked with a Verizon SIM in it. Verizon hasn't locked their phones for quite a while, and they have let you use them with any carrier you want, just showing here that the Touch ID does indeed work, which, like I said earlier, isn't always a thing with these budget-end phones. We're now going to go ahead and start the battery test using Geekbench 4.0. Enjoy. Our first try at the battery test, we got a whopping 1 hour and 22 minutes out of the battery with a Geekbench score of 640. So now we're going to go ahead and replace the battery and see if the new one can do better than that. I'm using an Apple OEM replacement battery that I pulled from another iPhone 5S. It's all put together and working, we're going to go ahead and install a brand new tempered glass screen protector to replace the old cracked one. We are now going to go ahead and test the battery again using Geekbench 4.0. This time the battery lasted 2 hours and 7 minutes with a Geekbench score of 927, a lot better than last time. Let's just take a moment to take a good look at how immaculate this iPhone is. It has no scratches, dents, or marks of any other kind. This has been an Explain with Shaun video. If you like what you saw, subscribe. If you didn't, don't. See you in the next one.